All of those are just slave to this one big thing. So I answer to that. So if I fade them down, you see the numbers all moving like that guy, right? But I also can just say 31 at full, boom, and that light came on over there. Actually, I'll leave that on for her. That's lovely. Great. But then I can go 32 at full. Do that. If I, or at 50, out, right? If I want to just pop through my channels, I could say 32 at full channel check, which is telling it this is not permanent. I'm just checking to see, are they working? Or maybe like I don't have my paperwork right here. What light is that? I can't see it. So now I can actually just hit the next button. 32 at full channel check. I didn't hit enter. And now I can just hit next, 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 next. And I can pop around, and you can see how all of these are laid out. We haven't even focused yet, but you can already kind of see how you could split the stage up. Like these two lights seem like they're corresponding, I bet you anything they're gonna be used side by side. They may not be that far upstage. Maybe they're gonna be right there at the downstage, but like these two seem like they split the stage in half. I bet they'll be used that way in some way, right?
And primarily used throughout the show rather than all the others?
Potentially, or maybe not. Maybe they're for a special moment, It just depends, how she wants to break it up. Cool. So I'm just hitting next, and we're like up to 72, 73, 74, right? So upstairs, right now, everything seems to be channeled 1-to-1. So one light per one channel. What we were talking about is you actually can plug 2 or 3 into the same channel, but they would all come on together. It's called 2-for-ring or 3-for-ring.
Wow.
Cool. And so, though you only have 72 dimmers up in the attic, and we'll go up there and look a little bit. Even though you only have 72 dimmers, each one of those could have 3 lights. You could have 216 lights in the plot. But again, that really limits you, because if the actress is standing downstage center and the director just wants a light on them, and there's light all over the stage, the director could go, oh, I just want a light on them, and you're like, I 3-ferred. Those have to be on.
Right.
And the director can go, no, you don't. And now you've got to figure out how to go up there and change the way you've plugged things in, which is tough.
Are you saying it's 3 lights only, or because it's the law, or because
Maximum of 3.
But because it's the law, or that's because people just know that that's what it is?
Typically, that's the way it is with the amperage, and that's pretty normal. Once you start getting 4 lights on something, it's really tough to make that work for theater, because it's just too much light all on one. Because too often we need to be able to sculpt much more specific spots, that kind of stuff. Cool. So great. Now, these lights here, they're special. They're LEDs. So not only do they get power, but they also get signal. So if this all works, then I should be able to look at 120. Let's look at 121 at full. Let's see if line displays match. 121's on. Yes. It's 500.